Hi everyone, this is Alex from Rotax, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the radiator on your Rotax 125 MAX Evo engine. For the installation of the radiator you need the following tools: a screwdriver, a wrench, a 4 and a 6 Allen key, the 2 connection hoses and 4 hose clamps, the radiator support, 2 Allen screws and the radiator itself. First of all, you install the radiator support. For this you need the M8 screw and the radiator support. Use a 13 mm flat spanner and a wrench to tighten the support for the radiator. The next step is to install the connection hoses. Install the longer hose on the upper part of the engine and install the shorter hose on the lower part of the engine. Now we are attaching the 4 hose clamps onto the 2 hoses, but we are not tightening the hose clamps at the moment. Now we are attaching the radiator to the radiator support. And we are tightening the screw with a 4 mm Allen key. Tighten the screw hand tight, that the radiator can still move. Attach the 2 hoses to the radiator and secure the hoses with the hose clamps. The hose clamps can be easily tightened by using a screwdriver. Repeat this process also on the lower end of the radiator. So this was the process how to install the radiator on your Rotax 125 MAX Evo engine. If you liked the video, please subscribe. See you again.